July 2nd, 2018, first trading day of the month, and it's looking kind of bleak. Now, see, I got all of these here. A couple of them are okay, but I don't see nothing really too exciting this morning. Market is down pre-market, but it is Monday morning, so we'll see how the day goes, and we'll see what we can get. I take MGM here at the ask if it gives it to us, and it doesn't. Too late. Just got in it. Just a couple of seconds too late. Alright, move on. LVS, I'm going to take this right here for a short at the ask if it gives it to us, and we're in. We're in at 72.63. Daily has been good for a short because it's been downtrending pretty well. You know, it was uptrending from April pretty well all the way up to 81, but past couple of weeks all that gain got taken out in like a week. So that tells me this stock is going to drop. It's probably going to hit the 200 here and then probably bounce. But let's take a look at this thing up close. Be careful with this one. This one's a decent sized mover. I can get a little bit more on this one. I like to get it below 72 if possible. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Here it comes. I'm going to take it at the 16 here if it gives it to us. And we're out. We're out for about close to 50 cents. It's probably going to drop some more. Look, there it goes. Ah, there it goes. I should have waited out a little longer. Would have got another 15 cents or so. SOGO, I'm going to try to take this at the ask here for a short. Alright, we're in. We're in at 10.99. Gave it to me real fast. Took it at the ask and shot right up. Oh, I tapped the button again for a double on this one. So I got 300 shares on this one. It's alright, it's a low price stock. Daily was strong, but it catapulted from mid-May to the end of June sometime, or middle June actually, and it catapulted like too much. So it got sold off, and now it's at this critical area here. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? It can't really say. Right now it's going up, so that's not good. I'm probably going to have to come out of this one because the market's waking up now. But we'll see. We'll see what happens with this one. Stop will be somewhere around the 25 area. You know, over a little over the 9. Market's waking up. I'm probably going to look for a long here. DVMT. Let's look at this one. This one looks okay. Let's see the daily. Daily's nice. This one's nice. Okay, we're going to jump in this one. Jump at the bid here. If it gives it to us, just a little bit more here. Alright, we're in at 100. Alright, we're going to cancel that out, and we're going to just trade these 100 right here. I'd like to see it back over 92. If not, stop's going to be somewhere below 91 area. Actually, I'm going to pick some more up with this one. Because if it drops, I think it'll have one more little sell-off if it does, and then it'll turn right back around. But we'll see. Day looks great for a long. You know, it's been climbing. Then it had a dip because the market dipped. It fell. You know, and today it catapulted all the way up to 97. Market open and market drops. right? So when intraday, when it opened gapped up and it had a sell-off, both because it's expensive and the stock market dropped. Now the stock market's waking up. So I'm thinking this thing is going to go way past 92, probably back up to 93. But I only got 100 shares because it didn't fill me. So, but I'll pick some more up if it drops under here, because it looks like it's going to have one more drop here. Yeah, it's going to have one more drop. All right. I'll look to pick some more up down here, below 91. Another 50 shares just to complete the set here. I'll get it right here. Yeah. All right, we're in. We're in at 91.02. Full. Average is, what do we got for average here? About 91.30. DVMT doesn't look too good here. But I'm going to hold on to it for a little bit because I think this one has potential turnaround. It's been selling off since the open. But look at this chart. This is nice. This is nice here. It had a dip because of the market, but picked right up again. So even though it's losing right now on this, but that's okay. It's a big mover. So I think it'll turn around here. I wasn't sure where the turning point's going to be, but should be soon. You know, the market's trying to wake up. DVMT coming back to life. Got away from us for a little bit there, but right below the 9, it started to picking up, and there it goes. Probably try to get out around the 92 area, depending on what happens. I was losing on the trade, so now I gotta think differently. You know, either come out flat or get a little bit more. Stop's gotta be below here now. It's a good size mover though, but look at this. The daily looks really good, so I'm anticipating a nice move up here. If I'm patient with this one, I don't know, this one can go back up to 93, 94. Pretty quick, but it depends on volume too. You know, if you got no volume, it's not going to move. And we got more volume today. We got a little bit here. All right, let's take a look at DVMT up close. All right, it's looking good here. If it breaks through this area here, 191.75, it should be a nice nice breakout. DVMT, all right, it's moving up now. Like I said, I was losing on this one, so I'm not expecting a whole lot, so I'll probably just take it right here if it gives it to me at the 57, and we're out for 100. All right, we're out. We're out for about close to 30 cents. I'll take that. Now it was a losing trade, so I had to change my train of thought. So I'll take that. Now we got a SOGO. This one is short, and it's almost flagging here, and I don't like that. You know what? I think I'm going to come out of this one. I'm going to come out of this one right here. I don't like it. We're out. We're out for a loss on that one. It looks like it's about to take off to the top side, and this one can move if it wants to move. So I hit the trigger twice, and I got in it twice, and I had about 300 shares on that one, so it's not worth it to me. It's not doing what I wanted to do, so I'm out. Out for about a loss of about 30 cents. No, actually, not 30 cents, about 15 cents, because I had 300 shares. Alright, so it's about to move up here, so good thing we got out. DVMT, check it out. Got out around the 50, and look, it blasted right through. Yeah, went right back to 92. VMW, I'm going to pick it up here at the bid if it gives it to us. Looks like it's about to break out here. Alright, we're in at 155.88. daily looks good. It's been going in waves. 1, 2, 3. Now this fourth wave blasted off. So obviously intraday gaps up and it gets sold off till about here. Now it's being bought up. Now you got a lot of people short in this, so as soon as this starts to move up, people have to cover their positions. So right here it's probably a nice spot because a lot of people probably went short right here thinking it was going to turn, and should pop right around here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Good size mover, this one. Stop is going to be like about a point around there, maybe a little bit more. You got to give this one some breathing room because it's such a big mover. But I can get at least a point on this one if I'm patient. Got to work on the patience. VMW, here it comes. There it goes. Let's try to take this out to 40 here if it gives it to us. And we're going to grab the rest of this just in case. We're out. We're out for about 50 cents on that one. I'll take that. Now, it's probably going to go up a lot more, but it's a big mover. And the morning's really slow. Market is undecisive. But look at that, still going. Look at that. I would have got another 20 cents just like that. It hit all the stops, that area there I was talking about earlier, right here. You know, a lot of people went short on this red candle thinking it was going to drop. And there, it hit all the stops. And you got people that just want to ride that wave too, that came in for that little ride there. But yeah, 50 cents on that one. Not bad, a little over. Oh, check it out. VMW, still going. Got out at 56.40 around here. And look, it's still going. Got to work on the patience, you know, when I'm in a winning trade. When I'm going to take a short here at the ask if it gives it to us here. All right, we're in. We're in at 152.93. Now, the daily looks really good for a short. It's a bit extended, but intraday too. It dropped, flushed all the way down here. It's been right in this area. I should have taken it up here, but I think I tried to get in it and it dropped real fast, so I couldn't get it in over here. But it's really close to the lows of the day, which is a point down here, and it's a big mover. So I think with a little bit of patience, I can get a full point on this one. I'm going to try anyway. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Setup here is really nice for a nice big drop, especially if it hits this area here. You got a lot of stops that are sitting here, and it should really blast down. But I probably won't wait that long. If I can get 50-60 cents on this one, that'd be great. But this is a big mover, so stops gotta be, ooh, that's a big stop. A little over a point on this one, to a point and a half. But I think it's worth the risk here for me, because I think it's gonna go down. Here it comes. All right, it's coming down. Let's take a look at this thing up close, see where we're gonna take it. We're in at 93. Let's look at the market. The market's trying to turn down a little bit. I think we'll hold off for a little bit, see what this thing's gonna go. Keep my eye on the market. Here it comes. If it shoots below 152.50, I'm gonna take it somewhere below there. Should go right now. All right, we're below 250. We'll take it right here if it gives it to us. One more little shot there. All right, we're up. Nice run on that one. It's still gonna go. Now if it goes below this area here, this thing is gonna collapse. Look, it's gonna collapse right now. And I missed all that. But I got a nice little chunk off of that. And watch, if it blows by here, 152, it'll just drop. And there it goes. Just broke through. Hit all those stops right there. And it's probably going to continue downward. That's all right. Got about 80 cents on that one. VMW, I'm going to take it here for one more shot at the bid if it gives it to me. All right, we're in. Second trade on it. I like the way it's acting up here. It looks like it's gonna, it came down and it hit the 9 here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's probably gonna be a quick trade. And it's right above the 157 area. So if it can catapult one more time, it'll shoot right above 158 and blow past this area here and just blast off. Big mover though, so I got to be careful with this one. Second trade. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Market is trying to move up, but now it's trying to move down, so we'll see. This one has a little bit of upside momentum, so this one might work out pretty good. Stop probably somewhere below 56, but target, man, depending what it does now, I don't know, 50 cents to around 157.60. I'd like to take it around there, right above the 50. Might stall out there at the 50, but you should get a nice big fat candle anytime. Here it comes. All right, here comes VMW. I like to see it over close to around 157.50 if possible. All right, here comes VMW. Keeps trying to test this area, so it should pop. Let's take a look at this thing a little back here. It's looking really nice. If I'm patient with this one will go over 158. BMW looks like it's gonna pick up over here. I'm gonna take it around the 157.50, actually 60, and we'll see if we can pick it up there on a nice big fat green candle. Here we go, and we're out. Nice. For 50 cents. Oh, and it's still going. It's still going. Probably going to continue. But we got a nice piece of that. Took about 50 cents on that one. You know, it just looked like it was going to go up, and it did. It's probably going to go up even further. See this right here? It's about to hit this area. If it hits this area and it goes through it, all the stops that are up here, my goodness, this thing will go right to 159, you know. But it's a big mover and risky, so if it starts going the wrong way on you, yeah, you gotta be careful with this one. It's gapped up quite a bit. $10. And pre-market, I guess it went all the way up to 172. So this has range big time. So anyways, that's gonna be it for me today. We're up 312. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners, just one loser on SOGO, and the biggest winner on WYNN. I thought it was going to be a slow day today, but it was okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching.